Ang dami nagtatanong kung paano mag-franchise ng Pick Up Coffee. So ako naman, na-curious ako and I wanted to answer. So nag-research tayo online and I found out na hindi pala available for franchise ang Pick Up Coffee as of the moment. So wala pa silang offer of any franchise opportunities and all ng mga stores nila ay company owned. So I tried digging videos and went to their official website sa pickupcoffee.com and found na meron na pala silang around 300 stores all over the Philippines. Nagsimula ang Pick Up Coffee noong 2022 sa Uptown Mall, BGC, and since then, renown na talaga nila yung brand nila. So, isa sa mga favorite coffee flavors talaga na nagpasikat sa kanila is Cafe Castilla or the Spanish coffee, and talaga naman dahil dito nag-flourish sila, it is also one of my favorite. And ang current CEO and country president nila is si Francis Flores. So, there is no information on their website kung paano ka maging franchise owner. What you will find instead is yung mga brand partners nila and yung mga collaboration brands nila. One of which yung nasa Facebook page nila ngayon is The Husk, which is ang makikita mo ng face is si Nadine Lustre. I'm thinking collaboration brand nila yon as of the moment. And that meron silang bagong mobile app. So, knowing that, pero interested ka pa rin na maging perhaps partner or maka-business ang Pick Up Coffee if you want kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Currently, they are only in partnership with buildings and real estate properties that has high foot traffic. So, if feeling mo yung building mo or probably yung space sa school na may mga canteens or meron kang concept na gusto mong i-present sa Pick Up Coffee, doon sila open. So, ang gagawin mo, you have to email them sa pickupcoffee.com. You can just go to their Facebook page and their website and mapoprovide na doon kung ano yung email address nila. Actually, it's pickup@pickup-coffee.com. Pero para mas sure ka, pumunta ka na lang sa FB page nila and malalaman mo doon, actually, you can communicate with their team online, which I suppose is their marketing, may sasagot sa'yo sa email, and you can ask how you can submit your documents and letter of intent and your proposal. And sure enough naman, I'm sure na yung email team nila, the one who is currently handling